So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to create fillable forms in Microsoft Word, including checkboxes, drop-downs, and text fields. So perfect for your for making professional interactive documents without needing any extra software. So the first thing that you need to do is we need to enable the developer tab in our Microsoft Word, because you can see among the tabs we don't have the developer tab. So what you do, you click on File, then you go down to the option section, then select Customize Ribbon. So here we can go ahead and customize the ribbon. Select that. Then once you select it, the next thing that you do is on the right panel, check the developer. So here we need to look for a section where we have the developer. So you can scroll down to make sure it's there. So here it is unchecked. So check it like that. Once done, click OK. Once you click OK, it will appear up here. And as you can see, the ribbon has popped up. So we have enabled our developer. So we have our checkboxes, our ribbon here. And then we have other groups within this ribbon. So that is what we are going to use to make sure that we develop a very good fillable forms here. So if you don't have this, follow the same process to do that. So let's add a simple text field for names or addresses. So step by step, the first thing that you do, you can place your cursor where you want the field to be, like for example here. Then go to the developer tab, click on it. Once you click on the developer tab, go to developer controls. So here you have these controls that you have down here. So you can click the rich text content control, like for example, this section, you have this section, then you also have this and these. The controls are here. So if we click on this, you see the text will appear here. Click a tab here to enter a text. So let's say, for example, we enter the full name. So the full name, this one will have the full name like this. It's supposed to be a capital M, like that. Full name, and put there like that. So you space that. Then the next thing that we can do also is we add the checkboxes. So now let's add some checkboxes. So for this, we will create for yes or no or section questions. So we have to also go back and go to developer, click on the developer. Then there is this sections that we have, click on the checkbox content control. So here's the checkbox. Once you click on it, the checkbox will appear here. So once I click on it, it selects. Once I unclick, it does not. So if I click on it like that, it unchecks. If I click on it, it checks. And you can see that one is there. Then you can also create a sample of the checkboxes that you want. Like for example, let's say you can select your preferences. So you can create the first checkbox here to be weekly. Like for example, if you can type just something in here, we have weekly information that you want to use. So weekly newsletters like this, newsletters. Then you can also go ahead and add another checkbox down here. Then you can take products updates. Then you can also add another one like that. Then you can event invitation, something like that. Events invitations like that. So you can, if you have it, you check it. If you have it, you check it like that. If you're done with it, you check. The one that is not checked, you uncheck it like that. Then the next thing you can do is you can also add a drop-down list. So, and the list can be predefined options like job roles or locations. So for you to do that, you can also go to job controls up here. You also have this section. This is the section that you're using. When you hover your cursor there, you can see you have the combo box, content control. You have this drop-down list. So let's say, for example, you want to put the drop-down list here. So you just go here and you click on it. This is the drop-down list. So once you click on it like that, you can go ahead and choose the items that you want to add. So like for example, you can add the position, the manager, and all that. Then you can also protect your form. So once you're done, you will want to protect the form so users only fill out the fields and not the whole document. So you can also restrict your editing by using this section, or when you click on it like that, you restrict your editing on this section. This one will pop up. Then you can go on and limit formatting to a selection of styles. You can also allow only this type of editing in the documents, so that the users who are using your form can only fill in the places like the full name fields, the email fields, and also the drop down fields, and also the activity that they have done. So, and that is how you can create fillable forms in Word. Create for applications, feedback forms, or surveys. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you want a full sample template. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.